In today's episode, we will be diving into exponentiations in Python. Operators are special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. Let's take a look at how exponentiations are used in PyCharm IDE. First, we will make a variable called exponent and equal it to 2 to the power of 3. We will then print exponent. And as you can see, we get the number 8. We get the number 8 simply because 2 times 2 equals 4. And 4 times 2 equals 8. This is how exponents are created in Python. If you found this video in any way helpful, make sure to follow the PySociety on Twitter, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.